afternoon. Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education past question. Question number 19 says, the individual who engages in carpentry work, and welding work is said to have acquired dash skills: A. Communication, B. Intellectual, C. Leadership, D. Life coping, E. Natural. When we talk of communication skill, communication skill has to do with concise expression, so it cannot be concise expressions. The intellectual skill has to do with being intelligent. Leadership skill has to do with ability to lead. Then life coping skill has to do with survivor of an individual. The natural skill has to do with ability to do something in its uniqueness. So with this, option D is correct. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.